Do you think Elon Musk is planning for this to be a product that actually goes into the mainstream, they manufacture billions of revenue, or do you think it's just a one-off kind of design he wants for himself?
No, this is going to change the game.
Like, this is going to be a mainstream thing that's going to change, because that's one thing this is why this is so fascinating to me. I've always wondered, Tesla's goal is to transition the world off of fossil fuels. Every single form of transportation is going electric. Everything's getting electrified. Like, how is that not, like, planes have to be part of that equation. I'm just taking planes and polluting constantly. And so Elon Musk is like, yes, everything will go electric. So it just seems like it's got to happen at some point, and Tesla's got to be the one to do it if their batteries are the best. And the Maxwell slide, their DBE slide that shows, there's a chart that shows their energy density hitting up to 500 watt hours per kilogram in a few years with their DBE technology, or that's the roadmap they saw in the future. So Tesla just bought Maxwell. I'm kind of curious how that ties into this, because I'm really rooting for Elon Musk to drop this on Battery Investor Day and be like, yes, like, our battery technology will continue improving, and eventually we're not just going to do things on land. We're going to go to the air. We're going to disrupt aviation, make that electric too. And I'm just waiting for him to, like, say that, or, you know.
Yeah, no, this is going to be a big business, and the economics, it's going to be similar to electric vehicles. So it could be a double boost where you've got these giant legacy planes that are 90 to 400 million. You're only selling 700 plus, right? So now make those smaller, bring the costs down, because now all of a sudden the unit economics, the volume spikes. So that drives efficiencies of scale. Imagine instead of like a $90 million giant plane, you've got like a $10 million smaller electric jet, right? And then all of a sudden you save on maintenance, service, parts. This industry could be similar to vehicles, where dealerships make half their money from service and maintenance, right? Legacy automakers make a huge percentage of their profits from selling parts at a ridiculously high margin. So if that is also the case with planes, just imagine the unit economics there, where you bring it high volume, shrink the size of the plane, the cost of electricity versus fuel. Although the one caveat there is, by weight, jet fuel is 40 times more energy dense than current lithium ion batteries. So same amount of weight, lithium ion batteries have 1/40th the energy, and that's what makes this such an energy density game. Wow. And they also have the benefits of burning it off midair. So it is a really difficult problem, and we're going to need some breakthroughs to make it a reality. And early on, it's going to be just like the semi, like short routes. You're going to pick the lowest hanging fruit, and then it's going to, I mean, you've seen the expansion with range, and now like Cybertruck and Roadster, 500 plus, 620 plus miles range. So I don't know if it's ever going to get enough where it can just go like continent to continent. But at least same continent, transcontinental transport, this is going to totally shift the game. It's going to be better, faster, cheaper, and just an amazing experience. Save everyone a ton of time.